Most people can't handle these 10 rules. They'll click away, call it too harsh, say it's unrealistic. That's because most people want easy. They want permission to stay the same. If you're here for that, leave now. But if you're ready to see the truth behind why you're stuck, if you want to tear out the lies you tell yourself and replace them with something unbreakable, then listen. These 10 rules aren't motivational fluff. They're the blueprint for people willing to pay the price of greatness. Rule 1, master your thoughts. Your mind is your greatest enemy or your greatest weapon. Most people hand theirs over to chance, letting every doubt, fear, and distraction crawl in and set up shop. If you don't learn to master your thoughts will master you. This isn't optional. Discipline your mind. Refuse to let garbage take root. You become what you consistently think about. So think like someone who refuses to lose. Rule 2, demand absolute clarity of purpose. Vague goals create vague results. If you don't know exactly what you want, life will give you anything and you'll hate it. Write your purpose so clearly it can't be misunderstood. Make it your religion. Wake up with it. Go to bed with it, because drifting kills more dreams than failure ever will. Rule 3, cultivate unshakable faith. Doubt is poison. Most people worship their fears and starve their faith. You don't get what you want. You get what you believe. Cultivate faith so strong it scares people. Faith in your goal, faith in your process, faith in yourself even when evidence says you're a fool. Nothing great was built on doubt. Burn it out. Rule 4, build relentless desire. Casual goals create casual effort. Weak desire leads to weak results. You need a burning desire so strong it feels like hunger. Don't ask if you can. Decide you must. Desire turns obstacles into fuel. Without it, you'll quit the second it's hard. Rule 5, create an unbreakable plan. Most people confuse hope with a plan. Hope is worthless without strategy. You need a real plan with steps, deadlines, consequences. Don't romanticize dreaming. Execute. Your plan isn't holy. When it fails, adapt. But never move without one. Winners plan in detail. Losers improvise forever. Rule 6, join forces with masterminds. You're the average of the people you choose. Surround yourself with people who'll challenge you, push you, refuse to coddle your excuses. The mastermind principle. The deliberate choice to build alliances of power. Don't hang with people who drain you. Find those who force you to level up. Rule 7, develop ruthless persistence. Quitting is a habit. So is persistence. Life doesn't care about your first effort. It cares about your last. Most people fold the moment they hit resistance. Don't be one of them. Make persistence your default setting. Refuse to stop until the goal is dead or you are. That's the difference between those who have and those who wish. Rule 8, use autosuggestion to program success. Your subconscious is listening. Every word you say, every thought you repeat becomes instruction. If you keep telling yourself you can't, your subconscious will obey. Use autosuggestion deliberately. Speak your goal. Repeat your vision. Condition your mind until doubt has no place to hide. This is how you turn desire into belief and belief into reality. Rule 9, channel the power of emotion. Logic doesn't move mountains. Emotion does. Most people are slaves to fear, worry, anger. Learn to redirect emotion into your purpose. Make your fear fuel. Make your anger focus. Emotional energy is the jet fuel of achievement if you control it. Let it control you and you'll sabotage everything. Rule 10, take decisive action always. Knowledge without action is delusion. Planning without execution is a lie. Act. Move before you're ready. Decide quickly. Successful people don't wait for permission or perfection. They pull the trigger. They fix mistakes on the move. Indecision is the killer of dreams. Don't let it kill yours. These 10 rules aren't comfortable. That's the point. Most will nod along and go back to distraction and mediocrity. Don't be most people. Pick one rule and burn it into your life today. Write them all down. Revisit them until they're part of your blood. Success isn't about luck or talent. It's about obeying principles that most people are too weak to follow. Be the exception. Remember this. The world doesn't reward wishes. It rewards those who live by these rules. If you're serious about rising above the average, carry these words with you. Don't just hear them, live them. The world makes way for those who dare to rise. Click the Rise button now to subscribe and claim the destiny waiting for you. Your time is now.